Alright, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Let's make video on how I created this birthday flyer. It's really my pleasure to make this video. So let's start. First of all, go to the background. Let's change the background of this design. Let's use the design. Go to your gallery where the background is located. Now let's go to Facebook where the background is located. Allow it to load. Alright, so let's select the background I use for this design. Select this way. So let's change this. This is 382 by 680. This is not what I'm using. Click on this. This is what I want to use, 382 by 381. Click OK this way. This is cool. Then delete this text. Again, let's import the tone paper that I use for this design. Let's import it here. Then go to Facebook also. Click on the Facebook, allow it to load as usual. Allow it to load. Let's select the tone paper that I use for this design. Here is it. Click here. This is the tone paper. As you can see, we need to work on this tone paper to get the actual one we use for that design. So go to eraser, click on this. We want to clean this black place here. First of all, increase this place, increase the erasing this thing here, then start cleaning, reduce this thing a little bit here, then start cleaning this way. Start cleaning. Just be very careful as you are cleaning this. Just be very careful so that you will not make mistake. Just be cleaning it this way, this way, this way, this way. Alright, then clean this, clean this. Make sure you clean everything very well. Clean it thoroughly like this. Be cleaning them. Cool. After this, you click here. This is what we've got. So click on this, rotate this thing this way, then keep it here. Increase this thing a little bit, just this way. Cool. Increase it a little bit also, this way. Keep it like this. Then let's import the picture that we are using here. Let's import it. We go to the background changer. I've already changed the background of this picture. Click here, select this, allow it to load. This is it. Then I will increase this thing this way, keep it here. Alright, I think I put this thing outline. Go to stroke, click on stroke this way to add it stroke. Keep the stroke wide at 1 this way. You click OK. Bring this thing down here, then lock this thing here. Alright, then let's start with the text. Start with the text this way. Happy. You click OK. Keep it here. Then give it color. I think we use red. This red should be darker. Bring it here, click OK. That's cool. Then let's bold this text. Click on bold to get this. Then after this thing, now you copy this text, bring it down here, edit this text this way. We want to lighten the birthday this way, click OK here. Then go to the typeface, go to your font where your font is located. You want to change this font, go to recent where I can easily find it. The name of this font is Beauty in the Ordinary. Click it this way. That's the name of the font I use. Change the color to blue this way. Then increase the size of this a little bit this way. Increase the size of this thing this way. Then bring in this thing here also. Keep this thing here. Then bring this thing down here. Just this way. You can use your position tool to do this. Position it this way. After that, click OK. Then let's create a circle shape this way. Give it yellow color. Keep it here. Then we give this shape a shadow this way. Draw this just this way. After this, we want to give it inner shadow so that we get the actual thing that we use. Give the color yellow. Go down just this way. Just this way. Then after that, click OK. Then reduce the size of this a little bit this way. Then lock this tone paper, lighten this, the date of this birthday, 20th December. Give it a capital letter. Go to bold this text this way. Then after that, you click OK. Change the color of this. I think we use black color. Keep it here. Reduce the size of this text like this. Then go to your alignment. Align this thing this way. That's cool. Increase this thing a little bit. Use a position tool to position this thing. That's cool. Then another one is to bring in a shape. This shape we have a yellow background this way. Click OK. Keep this thing here. Reduce the size of this shape a little bit this way. Then position this thing up. Bring it upward this way. Then let's slide this. Type into you. Give it then type in this to you. After that, you click OK this way. Then give this thing a black background. Give this thing a black color. So give it black this way. Bold this. Go to your bold style bold. Then reduce the size of this a little bit this way so that it will match with this shape just this way. If you want to move this thing, you reduce the px of this just this way. After that, click OK. Then let's type in the name of this celebrant. Type in the name just this way. Then give it capital letter. Give this blue color this way. Reduce the size of this thing here. bring it over here, then give it bold, just this way. Okay, then after that we create something, go this way, bring in a shape, we give it a blue color, just this way. Just let's make this picture to be invisible so that we achieve what we want to do. Keep this thing here, down here. Okay, give it shadow, go to your shadow, click on this, add it a little bit shadow this way. After that you copy this thing, you copy it this way. This is how I created this. Copy this thing this way. As you can see, we have achieved that. Then you group it, group the two of them together this way, just this way. Keep it over here. Okay, that's cool. Then this picture should pop up this way. Then this picture should come up. Drag it from here. We want this to come up. Just be dragging it. This is what we want to do. This is cool. So let's type in. We are rounding up already. This is alright. This is what we want to type. Then give it black, just this way. Bold this. Okay, let's align this thing to the center, just this way. Then go to your size, reduce this. You want to place this in here, reduce it, keep reducing this thing, keep it here. Just this way. Then increase it a little bit. Good. Use your position to position this thing up. Just this way. Copy this thing and edit it. Just this way. Then this here. This is cool. Then the last here is bring this thing down here, give it blue color, bring it up this way, go to bold this text this way, reduce the size of this thing should be very small, just this way. Then another one is bring in this, then bring in a shape this way, give it yellow, just this way. This is just for reduce this a little bit. Leave it at 3, then position it this way, copy, also copy this thing, bring this thing down here. This is cool. Then let's touch this picture a little bit this way, go to your color filter just a little bit. You want to touch it a little bit so that it will blend with the background. After that, you click OK. That's it. This is how I created this design. If you find this video interesting, recommend this to other graphic designers who design with their smartphone. If you are new to my channel, as usual, subscribe to the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss my video whenever I post a video. Thank you, thanks for watching, and see you next time in my next video.